Hey, it is the wonderful time of the year again, and Chinese New Year is just 3 weeks from now. So in these videos, I would like to present to you 16 auspicious Chinese New Year recipe that I have created so far. These videos are on my YouTube channel as well as on my food blog, and I will leave the links in the description below for all these videos and all the recipe that you can download from my webpage. And there is no specific order, and it is of a random arrangement. So without further ado, let me start with the first one I want to share with you, that is spring roll. The shape of spring roll resembles gold bar. And the Chinese character of spring roll also signifies the arrival of spring, in which it actually shares the same character of Chun, that means spring, in Spring's festival, that is Chinese New Year. And you can make spring rolls in advance as they are freeze well, and then you deep fry it in hot oil directly from the freezer. You don't have to put it on the table to let it defrost, and just before serving, deep fry it. Enjoy the glass shattering texture of freshly made spring rolls. The second recipe is Bak Kwa, and in Cantonese we call it Yokon, because it has a deep red color that symbolizes fortunes and prosperity. It is available year-round, but it is hugely popular during Chinese New Year. So, Bak Kwa is dry meat, and is usually made with pork and chicken, and it's incredibly delicious, and it's almost unimaginable if you don't have it during Chinese New Year. You can make it with an oven, and of course, you can also use charcoal, which will yield a smoky flavor on the grill. The third recipe, Nian Gao in Mandarin, Nian Gao in Cantonese. Nian means year. Gao or Gao means high. That means high achievement in the coming year. So for the achievement, it can be obtaining a good grade in school, a high income, a high position in the company, and a more prosperous business, and so on. Accordingly, this sticky sweet rice cake is an offering to the kitchen god every year, at the end of the year, who reside in every kitchen. So the folklore says that the kitchen god will present his year report of each household's event to the Jade Emperor. So hopefully, the sticky dessert will prevent him from bad-mouthing by sticking his mouth, so that they will not be able to tell anything bad to the Jade Emperor. Then we have Buddha's Delight, Lo Han Zai, and in our family, we usually serve it for lunch on the first day of the new year. Accordingly, Lo Han Zai is the name Lo Han, which is the name for the 18 Arhats, and they are saints that is equivalent to the apostles of Christianity. And according to folklore, they invented this vegetarian dish in honor of their ancestors. The original Buddha's Delight has 18 ingredients. That is too much. So it is too tedious to prepare, and I've simplified it without compromising the flavor. The next one is pork knuckle with dry oysters and black moss. The pork knuckle is cooked with black moss, that is called fat choy in Cantonese. And fat choy simply means that making a lot of money. And dry oyster means ho xi, which is a homonym of good business. The pork knuckle indicated that you can grasp any fortune with your hand. In Cantonese, we call it wang cai zhao shou. And the dry mushroom that I added suggests that you'll be successful in all ways. Dumplings. And if you like, you can have some dumpling, 饺子. The Chinese word dumpling sounds like 饺子, which means exchange at night, and therefore eating dumpling has a symbolic meaning to usher the new and banish the previous year. And you can wrap the dumplings in advance and keep them in frozen. We like to eat it with homemade chili oil, which is Sichuan style, and it is also suitable for pan frying, one of the perfect side dishes for dinner. Number 7, don't miss out steamed fish during Chinese New Year, and it has to be a whole fish. Steamed whole fish is always on the dining table for New Year. The fish must not be cut, as the entire fish symbolizes completeness and wholesomeness. And also the word fish, 魚, is a homonym for surplus, extra, and leftover. And therefore it signifies abundant wealth to bring to the new year. You need shrimp also during Chinese New Year because shrimp means happiness. Shrimp in Chinese is ha, and ha is just like ha ha ha, that means happy and laughter. So I hope everyone will have a happy and prosperous New Year ahead. And hopefully the more you eat shrimp, the happier you will be with lots of laughter in the coming year. So this shrimp is cooked with soy sauce and is one of the most popular dishes on this occasion. And this is easy to prepare and tastes fantastic. Then how about snacks? So we can have pineapple tart, and in Hokkien dialect, pineapple tart is online, which means prosperity is coming. This tiny tart is made with pineapple paste and cooked with palm sugar and spiced with different types of spices like cinnamon, star anise, and cloves. And the pastry is buttery and is melt in the mouth. And this bite-sized tart is lucky food. And it's sold at every nooks and corner during Chinese New Year. But you can follow this Chinese New Year recipe to make it yourself. Next one is a dessert after dinner, that is Tang Yuan. In Cantonese, we call it Tang Yuan. It is a bite-sized sticky glutinous rice balls in syrup and have a significant meaning associated with winter solstice and Chinese New Year. Traditionally, this delightful dessert is served during the reunion dinner. And having it means the family is complete when everyone returns home for the reunion dinner on Chinese New Year Eve. And of course, it is also eaten on the 15 days of the New Year, that is during the Lantern Festival. If you want noodles, I have a longevity noodles recipe for you for long and prosperity life. It is traditionally served during Chinese New Year because they symbolize a long and prosperous life. And the long noodle features unbroken strands, conveying the idea of continuity and unbroken life. And eating them during the celebration means wishing for longevity and good fortune. And therefore, it is important not to cut the noodles while eating them. Another dessert, Jian Dui or Jian Dui in Cantonese, is symbolized completeness and unity. Why? Because its round shape symbolizes completeness and unity, while the expansion during the frying process, getting bigger and bigger, signifies growth and development. After your New Year feast, if you want to make use of your leftover rice, I have a fried rice recipe for you. The Chinese sausage or lap cheong fried rice is an ideal quick meal during Chinese New Year. After enjoying a feast, you may desire something simple, and Chinese sausage fried rice is perfect for that. How about making a cold dish as dessert for your Chinese New Year dinner? And I have one for you, Drunken chicken roast. This is one of my favorite for Chinese New Year. The flavor of this chilled drunken chicken combined with the strong alcoholic content is so intense that it blew me away with its first bite. The dish consists of boneless chicken meat rolled up and sliced, making it convenient to prepare in advance and serve cold. Then I have braised pork belly, dong bo yok, for your lavish dinner. It is pork belly braised with traditional spices and seasonings, and it has a melt-in-the-mouth texture. The prolonged stewing with wines breaks down the fat and making the pork belly flavorful, succulent, and tender. And it's so tender that it can easily be separated into small pieces just by using chopsticks. To wrap up this list of Chinese New Year dishes, I'll recommend you a soup called spinach in superior broth. 上汤苋菜. This dish is visually appealing and it features various auspicious ingredients. For example, century egg, ginkgo nuts, goji berries, and it is considered a luxury soup due to its ingredients and stock. Its rich flavor makes it a perfect finale for this traditional Lunar New Year food list for your celebration. That's the hand-picked auspicious Chinese New Year dish, and I hope you enjoy my collection. And I hope you will find inspiration on what to cook. And I wish you a fantastic Chinese New Year filled with joy and prosperity. 恭喜发财，万事如意，顺顺利利，年年有余。And I see you in the next video.